So now we're going to solve for the limit of a polynomial. So we're going to use first the different limit laws, and after that we're going to use one law which will make it easier for us to answer. So the first one is we're going to solve for the limit of 2x plus 1 as x approaches to 1. That's number 1. So what we're going to do in here is we're going to distribute or to use the addition theorem. So this is also equal as limit of 2x as x approaches to 1 plus limit of 1 as x approaches to 1. This would be equal to, you may put it outside, the constant multiple theorem. So itong 2, pwede mo dyan siya ilabas sa limit of x as x approaches to 1 plus limit of 1 as x approaches to 1. So this would be equal to this one. This would be equal to itong limit of x as x approaches to 1. It's a limit of a variable is equal to the c, which is equal to copy 2. The answer would be the c. Plus, kapag constant naman, ang answer is constant. Kapag number nandito, so ang answer is yung number. Kapag variable, isang variable lang. Ang answer doon ay yung ina-approach niya or yung c. So 2 times 1, that's 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So there's another also theorem. So limit of 2x plus 1 as x approaches to 1 is equal to f of c. Ibig sabihin, itong c, ipalit mo dito sa variables. So 2 or substitute mo dito sa variable. Ang x magiging 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So that's the other way of solving it, which makes it easier. So we could do this one, which we're gonna take a lot of time, but we could also use f of c. So ang x lang, gawin mong 1. 1 plus square root of 1 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 1. So 1 plus square root of 1 is 1. We'll use the positive only. 1 squared is 1 minus 2 times 1, 2 plus copy 1, close. So 1 plus 1, that's 2. And then 1 minus 2, that's negative 1 plus 1, 0. So the answer here is 0. So are we correct? I hope so. So next is the limit of x squared minus 1 as x minus 1. And limit of x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 as x approaches to 2. So this is equal to 2 squared minus 1, 2 minus 1. So 2 squared is 4 minus 1 over 1, which is equal to 3 over 1, which is also equal to 3. So that's the limit of x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 as x approaches to 2, which is 3.